Hello everyone, welcome back to our Forex Trading for Beginners series. I'm Roy Levine and today we're getting hands-on. We've talked about what Forex is, how to read quotes, which platform to choose, but now it's time to actually open a real live trade. I'm super excited. I've waited for this, I've been timing this just to show you how I actually pull the trigger on a real trade. So by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to place your first buy or sell order on a Forex trading platform. Whether you're using MT4, MetaTrader 5, or cTrader, it's gonna look the same. Sounds good? Let's dive in. All right, so what do we need before opening a trade? Before we jump into the market, let's have a quick checklist. We need a funded trading account, right? Or a demo account if you're a complete beginner. We need a trading platform installed and running. And we need an idea of which asset, which currency pair we want to trade, right? Once we got these in place, we're ready to go. So let's take a look at my trading platform and let's do this from A to Z. Now, like I said, I'm gonna be using my real live trading account. I'm gonna be opening a real live position right here, right now. So first things first, we open the market watch window. I already did that. I already have my asset. I already know what I want to do. But just to show you, this is the list of dozens, probably even hundreds of different assets to work with across different markets, right? We have all the Forex market right here, all of the assets, and then we have the stock market, right? But since I'm a crypto day trader, I go all the way down. By the way, right click and you click show all, just so we have all the list full with all of the assets, right? And I would go to the crypto section, which is right here on the bottom, and I would choose, I did choose the Cardano, and it's right here. That's it. ADAUSD. Right click, and either new order if you want to do a direct trade right from the watch list, right? Or a chart window so you can see the chart before actually placing a trade. That's my way to do things. Like, I would definitely recommend first opening a chart so you can see what you can look at what you're about to be trading. So that's what I did. Click that chart window, and that's what I see right here. This is the Cardano on the 4-hour chart. All right, we're ready. Let's fire off a trade. Right click on the chart, trading, new order, and then there's this window, right? This is the execution window. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put a full lot, right? And my stop loss level is going to be 0.74 flat, so 0.7400, and take profit, my take profit is going to be aligned with this next strong key level resistance, 83.01. I'm gonna round it down just a bit to 0.83 flat. So I got my stop loss level in place, I got my take profit in place, I got my volume size, my trade size in place. I know what asset I'm looking at, I have my game plan, and I'm ready to strike. Let's go. Boom, we're in. Now if I want to find this trade, you go to the terminal, this button right here, and I can see my trades, all of them right here aligned, and I can see my last one, which I just initiated, which is the Cardano. So yeah, there you go. Just opened a new fresh trade in my real life trading account. There you go. Now don't forget, very important, we click buy if we think it's going to go up, but we click on the other way, on the flip side, we click sell if we think it's going to go down, right? Don't forget that very important principle. Also, guys, just before we wrap this up, on the terminal window, we can always track our positions, but we can also adjust. We can adjust our stop loss level, our take profit order if we want to change things. If I want to change one of my positions, for example, on the Litecoin here, right click, modify or delete order. I click this one, and then a new window with the levels that are currently in place is open, and I can change my stop loss level, I can change my take profit order. All right, there you go. Here's a few tips for me in case, just before you dive in, right? Always start with a demo account just to make sure you got your head wrapped around this thing, right? You know what you're doing, you know what you're clicking, you know how to set up a new trade and so forth. Never risk more than 1 to 2% of your capital on a single trade. That's advisable. And always set a stop loss level. Trust me on this one. Don't rush. Practice makes progress. And that's it. You've officially learned how to open your first trade on a Forex trading platform. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and smash that like button. Subscribe if you haven't yet. And drop a comment if you already placed your first demo trade or if you're already placed your real life trade. Let's talk about it. In our next video, we'll tackle technical analysis basics, how to read Forex charts like a pro. So, catch you then. Take care.